Still put the music over that bit was crap. You're singing. Right, back today in Liverpool. Some of you might recognise. Well, there's a couple of okay videos I did here. A couple of you might recognise the location. It's where. Right down there is Paul. Alistair, I forgot his name then. Oh my god. Then Dave and Karen under the bridge, or the other side of the bridge. Obviously there's that Neo guy. Yeah, it's where Paul got his machine gun out from. Check this thumbnail out here. That's that video belongs to AJ Magnet Fishing, or former AJ Magnet Fishing. He's changed his channel name to AJ's Locks and Locks. He does padlocks and magnet fishing. Locks and locks, you get it, okay. This here, there you go. Plaster it all over the screen down so people know. So if you put AJ Magnet Fishing in, you won't get it. So go to that, find the thumbnail again, where it is, there it is. Go find out what gun he got, what machine gun he got from here. Yeah. 18 months ago I think it was. If you go to a year and go down, you'll see it. You'll see it, won't you? Hopefully you didn't hear that, but oh well. Right, let's go fishing. Big lump of crud. And more crud. What a sticky find. Look at that!
It's squiggly.
Look at that! There we go. Let's just pull this out. Look at that.
What is it? Knife.
A knife.
Big one. Lead knife.
Better than your machete that you keep showing 7 times. Right, yeah, pull it off. Oh, let's just go and see Welsh Dragon somethings. Welsh Dragon somethings. His name is something Welsh Dragon is somethings. Look at that. That'll be my thumbnail, that.
It's not a knife. Oh, it's a kitchen knife.
That's a knife. Oh, it's a kitchen knife. God. Look at that.
Quite a nice shape though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Nice one. He's had a bit of scrap metal. Bob standard stuff. That's in the car. I don't even know the camera straight. And that pole there. And then
You're racist.
look at that. Is that like a
in the water.
dragon?
What's the best thing you've ever caught? What'd you say?
Oh, what's the best thing?
Really?
Full crossbow.
Look at these finds are off the rails.
Everything.
Off the rail finds in Liverpool, eh? Because they are off the rails, the railway finds off the rails. And my trolley got stuck on. If anyone, I don't know if I put it in the start of the video. Might have done, I don't know. There we go. Railway clip. Or off the rail finds, because it's off the rail. And then I've just pulled this out when he's just pulled that knife out. Look at that. Track chair. Look at that. Off the rails. All these finds are off the rails.
As I've moved this way down, the track chairs have kind of like feel like they might have stopped top.
Yeah.
I think it's more towards where you were. Where
Yeah, that's where the sweet spot is from last time. There you go, come here. Nice. Right. See what else we can get. Oh, more railway finds here. See that Alistair's just pulled out. Probably about 10 minutes ago actually. I've been having engines. Can I? Boom. Oh, it was just the sunlight. I thought it was sparking then. It was just the sunlight. Never mind. Nice and wet. There we go. Yeah. Deary me. See what else we can get. Right, it's going to be a mixture of mine, Alistair's and Neil's. Or them pots and Neil's. Oh god, fuel thing, I don't know, filter, whatever, I forgot what it was called then, I went totally blank. Spring, a grapevine under there at the bottom, there we go. A couple of pipes, having a roller and a big bar. There you go, I had that bracket thing as well. Loads of crap, and then that thing there, I don't know if it's like a money thing or not. It says money control on it, so serial compact hopper Mark II. Can't read. Knackered. Last couple of pulls are pulling like two big massive branches that did my backing. Some bits and bobs crap. So I've got to come out on it. Couple of interesting finds though, haven't we? Right then, that's it. Packing up, a bit early, but I'm knackered, crackered. So yeah, back in Liverpool, Sten Bridge we'll call it. Yeah. But check out AJ's video, like I said at the start. So anyway, yeah. Cheers for watching. Hopefully next week it'll be a better spot. Can't help it, can you? It's all got to come out. Scrap, all metal, so you know. Cheers for watching, smell you later.